a planter, slave owner himself, turned abolitionist. By the 1820s, things he was reading, things he was hearing, seeing were really weighing on him. And so he decided he was going to read everything he could about the institution. He was going to do a deep dive, study what the consequences of slavery, the origins, everything he could learn about it. And he read materials including a lot of pamphlets that were written by black authors, so seeing things from their eyes, the arguments they were producing to attack slavery. And this caused him to completely change his life. He freed his slaves. He started an anti-slavery newspaper. He had to move it to Cincinnati because some of his neighbors didn't like it necessarily. He runs for president later as part of the Liberty Party.